Need help organizing your schedule? Let's create and edit events in your calendar app on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create and edit events in the calendar app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the calendar app. Tap on the plus button from the top right corner of your screen. In this form, you can enter the details of your event. Start by adding the event title. Next, you can enter the location of the event. This can be a specific address, a meeting room, or any place relevant to the event. Then, set the start and end times for your event. Once you have filled in the necessary details, tap on the Add button located in the top right corner of your screen. Your event will now be added to your calendar. And this is how you can create and edit events on your calendar on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.